I often say that music is the most important part of the video. But what should not be overlooked is the sound surrounding us, hiding in plain sight. It can be found in the details all around us. Whether it's a flag waving by, the fire burning, or just the crowds all around you. And while we create the videos to help others see the world, there are details that should be shown, or in this case, heard. All those small details make up the bigger picture. They can help us with the storytelling, bringing emphasis on certain parts, and help us create better transitions. And on top of that, they can help us bring the viewers into the same feeling we had while on adventures. And this is where Epidemic Sound comes in. With over 90,000 sound effects in their library and a huge collection of amazing music, there's plenty for you to choose from. Whether you're looking for the personal plan or the business plan, they've got you covered. If you're interested in Epidemic Sound, check out the link down below for a 30 days free trial.